letter W, again, we're gonna come in light, heavy, light, just subtly for that little detail. If you wanna skip that, you can totally just go heavy, light, heavy, light. I just wanted to add in some transitions that get you all that practice for changing your pressure. Heavy, light for your second stroke. For the lowercase, we're gonna go heavy, light, slightly heavy to light. And so I think as you're going through this, you'll see how often we're using those drill strokes, especially that underturn we use a ton. And again, this is one where you could go light, heavy, oh gosh, my brain, heavy, light, and keep it light for that swoop. And just with the V, this is one where you can add some fun flourishes into that section of your W as well. For the slanted, we're gonna do light, heavy, light, essentially making 2-letter V's connected, heavy, light, and then slightly light into heavy, up to light, heavy, light, and then just that little connector tail, heavy to light. And again, we could do a loop. We could add some fun flourishes. You can get them really exaggerated as you start to practice. But if that stresses you out to start with, don't worry about it. I just want to kind of show some options how you can kind of customize these as you maybe go through them a second time or continue practicing whenever you need it.